Now I will walk you through the process for adding, editing, or removing items from drop-down lists throughout the system. So first you would navigate to this page, which you can find under the Admin tab. It's called Lookups. This gives you a list of the different lookups throughout the system that you're able to manage. They all have kind of a meaningful name that relates to where you might see the field. So for example, this lookup called loss type is going to drive the list that you see on the claim table under or by loss type. So if you click on this drop down, these items are going to be the same ones you see in this loss type list. So if you're working in the system and you see a drop down that needs an additional field, I would recommend coming to this page and matching it appropriately based off of the naming convention. So for example, resource assignment type is going to be the assignment type dropdown on a resource. Client document type and claim document type are going to be the document types available on the client side versus the claim side, etc. So now that you know what these lists refer to, how do you actually manage the items that are on them? If you click the edit button next to a particular list, it will take you to this view. Here again, we're on the loss type page, so it's going to be those same drop downs that we saw here: fire, flood, hail, lightning, water, wind. If you want to remove a value from the list, you would click the delete button. If you want to rename an item on the list, you would click the edit button next to that particular value. And here you could type something different and click save. Or if you want to add a new record to the list, you could do so here and give it a meaningful name, new record, and click save as well. Just for purposes of demonstration, I'll go ahead and add this to the list. What that means is if you then come over and look at this dropdown, you now see new record is one of the options for this loss type lookup. We'll then go ahead and delete this same value. It wants to make sure that we do want to delete it. We click OK. And it is gone. If I refresh this page, it says lookup value was deleted. And loss type now no longer has that record there. So this is how you can edit any of these lists by adding, editing, or removing the items that are on them from the lookup page.